Well, tonight, the Trump administration announcing major cuts at the country's health agencies, including the FDA, CDC, and Centers for Medicaid and Medicare Services. HHS Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr. says more than 10,000 jobs will be cut. Here's ABC's Zoreen Shah.
Tonight, a major shakeup at the country's health agencies. More than 10,000 jobs getting slashed at the FDA, CDC, and at Medicaid and Medicare services.
Obviously, what we've been doing hasn't worked. That's why we're making this dramatic overhaul.
The new cuts are in addition to the 10,000 people who already left the agency after taking buyouts or retirement under DOGE. Kennedy came to the behemoth department with 82,000 employees and a $1.7 trillion budget dealing with everything from drug approvals to food recalls to responding to the next pandemic. Kennedy says there is major duplication within the agency.
We're going to eliminate an entire alphabet soup of departments and agencies while preserving their core functions by merging them into a new organization called the Administration for a Healthy America, or AHA.
Some members of Congress today weighing in on the cuts.
I would not be surprised that there's some duplication, for example, in HR offices, perhaps. But HHS is a critical agency, and it does have to be adequately staffed in order to perform its multifaceted missions.
Spending is an addiction in this town. We have to find ways to be lean and efficient with the people's money. And this is the start of a process to have a federal government that is, frankly, going to be able to be lean and efficient for the future of our nation.
And Kennedy emphasizing his core beliefs.
But the real overhaul is even bigger. The real overhaul is improving the health of the entire nation to make America healthy again.
If all the cuts are implemented, HHS will have cut about 1/4 of its total workforce and saved $2 billion. Kennedy pledged no critical functions will be impacted. Zoreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.